What's up, Coaster Spotters? This is Alex checking from Six Flags Great Adventure on opening day on July 3rd. This is construction update number 15, and we are checking out what we can see from inside the park finally. As you all know, the coaster has been delayed to 2021, as I suspected in our last update. But we will provide some views from inside the park, and as soon as construction resumes, you will have updates here first on the channel. Then here we can see Jersey Devil from 150 feet on the Ferris wheel. Alright, here's a view of Jersey Devil from the Skyway. Even close.
Yeah, one person per ride.
That is going to do it for our update here in the park. When Congo Rapids opens, we'll probably do another short update because that should open up some pretty cool views. But until then, thank you so much for watching the Coaster Spot. This has been Alex. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you hopefully soon. How many enthusiasts are jealous of this bird right now? So many.